There's a reason the Audi R8 V10 Plus still turns heads like a brand new hypercar. Not because it's the fastest, not because it's the rarest, but because it carries something modern supercars have almost forgotten: a soul forged in pure, naturally aspirated chaos. The moment that 5.2-liter V10 fires up, everything else fades. No turbos, no hybrid assist, no artificial drama, just an 8,700 RPM scream, born from the same DNA that powered Lamborghini's finest. It's the kind of engine note that makes you look over your shoulder even when you're the one driving. But the R8 wasn't always the V10 monster people worship today. When it first dropped in 2006, it shocked the world with a 4.2-liter FSI V8, a clean, balanced, mid-engine platform built to embarrass cars way above its price bracket. Enthusiasts called it the supercar you could daily, and for once, that wasn't marketing hype. It was a car you could attack a racetrack with, and then calmly drive home in comfort. Then Audi did the unthinkable. They went full send. By 2015, the R8 V10 Plus arrived, rewriting everything we thought we knew about German supercars. 610 horsepower, a lightning-quick 7-speed dual clutch that snapped through gears like a rifle bolt, and quattro all-wheel drive that made the R8 feel planted even when the world outside the windshield tried to spin backward. This wasn't a supercar built to scare you. It was built to make you look better than you actually were. Track day heroes know exactly what that means. The R8 V10 Plus could take cornering abuse like a GT3, launch harder than some Ferraris, and still glide over broken pavement like a luxury cruiser. And underneath that refined, almost polite exterior was a power plant begging to be unleashed. Tuners didn't waste time. Bolt-on kits pushed it to 650-plus horsepower. Supercharger setups bumped it into the 750 to 800 range. And twin-turbo conversions? That's where the madness started. 1,000 horsepower R8s became the new normal, turning this calm German assassin into a quarter-mile monster. Yet even stock, the V10 Plus, had something tuning could never replicate: the raw symphony of a high-revving, naturally aspirated engine disappearing from the world. The R8 became one of the last guardians of an era that's all but gone, a time when supercars shouted rather than whispered through electric motors and turbochargers. And the design? Iconic. Low stance, side blades, clean proportions, no unnecessary aggression, just timeless Audi precision with a mid-engine silhouette that still looks futuristic a decade later. But the R8's real magic wasn't just its power or its looks, it was its attitude. Supercars used to demand sacrifice: noise, heat, nervous sweat in traffic. The R8 said, why not have everything? Daily comfort, German reliability, track capability, a Lamborghini-sourced V10. It blurred lines no one thought needed blurring, and then became legendary for doing exactly that. Today, with the R8 officially discontinued, the V10 Plus feels more precious than ever. A final snapshot of a world before turbos took over, before EV torque curves flattened the thrill, before automakers started playing safe. The Audi R8 V10 Plus didn't just raise the bar. It proved that a supercar could be outrageous without being outrageous to live with. And now the question hangs in the air, louder than that V10 at full throttle. In a future filled with silent speed and digital performance, will we ever get anything like this again? Or was the R8 the last great rebel of the old school?